how to get Kahoot answers ethically. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Kahoot answers ethically. So first of all, you have to come to the Kahoot official website and log into your account, and then you have to click on the search bar and search for any quiz. And after that, as you can see, there are multiple quizzes here. You just have to simply click on Kahoots and then select a quiz from here. Let's select the Star Wars quiz from here, and as you can see, they are not showing the answers. So if you just click on the show answers button, and they will show the answers, and the green one is the right answer. So if you want to make sure to review your own quiz answers, so then you can go to library and click on your quiz, and you can also click on show answers from here, and you can see the answers ethically from here, as the elf is this quizzes answer that is my own, and it's on the green color. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.